Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Mojo pork. In my last video I showed you how to make a mojo marinade that you can use for chicken and pork. This is what it looks like after being refrigerated. You'll see that the olive oil has solidified on top, but we still have the liquid with all those delicious seasonings. So today I'm going to show you how to do a mojo pork. So here I have a 2 1/4 pound pork loin roast and mojo marinade. That's all we need, just 2 ingredients. And since this is just 2 1/4 pounds, we'll probably just use like half of this mojo marinade, which will be about 1 1/2 cups. And we'll be doing everything in the slow cooker. First I rinse the pork thoroughly under cold running water. Here I have a nice large skewer, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the pointed end of the skewer and I'm just going to poke holes all through the pork roast. That way all those lovely delicious flavors in the mojo marinade are going to penetrate the meat. Since I'm going to be setting my pork in the slow cooker before I go to work tomorrow, I'm going to store it in an airtight container. I've got a nice plastic cover for this dish, and I'm just going to let it marinate overnight in the refrigerator. And always remember to bring your meat to room temperature before cooking. And I will leave the link for the mojo marinade recipe in the description box below. I brought my pork roast to room temperature and now I've placed it in the slow cooker with the mojo marinade. Last time I did mojo pork, I wrapped it in banana leaves. Today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to kind of wrap my pork around with some plantain. Let's see how that goes. I cut my plantains in half and now I'm just peeling the skin off. And I'm just going to place these pieces of plantain on the roast pork in the slow cooker. See, I have my roast pork covered with the plantains in the slow cooker. Now I'm going to set it on high for 4 hours and then check it. I think I'm just going to drizzle the plantains with some of the mojo marinade. I think that's going to give it a nice flavor too. So all those flavors are going to marry, and that sweetness of the plantain is going to impart a really nice flavor to the pork as well. All right, we are all set. It's been 4 hours, so let's check our pork. That looks and smells amazing. So I'm just going to take my large skewer again and I'm just going to check it, see what that feels like. And it feels nice and tender. Plantains cooked too. So I think I'm just going to take this off now, take it off temperature. It's good. That's a perfect bite right there. I decided to make myself a little snack. A mojo pork slider. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.